Hello guys, welcome to my channel GM Zone. This is an honest review about AGT. I've been following this platform for days and for like weeks to see where it's gonna end. AGT is Arbitrage Global Trade, and one thing about this Arbitrage platform, one thing about them is that Arbitrage is an easy way to make money, yes, but also an easy way to scam people of their hard-earned money. And which the most annoying part is that they come package themselves, rebrand themselves in a new way of the same method to scam more people, to come in a new name, to come in a new strategy to scam more people. That is the most annoying part about Arbitrage, where we have legit Arbitrage platform, but this, where we see them, we know them, you understand. AGT is a platform that just came for not quite long, you understand. So let us move to I think scan document. So this is the link of AGT. The website is ultraboats.com. So the domain name is very recent, which means I think this domain name may likely be of some platform that have already been existing that have crashed, you understand. The owner of the domain name is hidden. Okay, let us move quickly to when the domain was created. It was created 02/16/2022, meaning it was created on February 16, 2023. Not that long, and going to expire 16th of February 2028. Okay. To view the owner identification in the we see it here. Owner identification in the we to view it. Okay, we see some things here that this server, this new server, everybody, do you know Kala? Kala is an investment that crashed last year. So the name server for ultraboats.com, which is this AGT, it came from Kala. It all came from Kala. Please, my advice for you guys is that what you are to invest in this platform, but which I will not advise you guys to invest any damn of amount of money into this platform, is that kindly invest what you can afford to lose. And let me take you guys to another major step of it, is this ultraboats.com, which is AGT. Let me even check their website. Let me see what is going on. Then come to look of it, I was trying to move around to check what is really going on with ultraboats.com to really know their updates so far. So I move on this morning and I check and I see this: we will be back soon. Sorry for the inconvenience. You are performing some maintenance at the moment. If you need to you can, the English is not even correct. If you need to, you can always follow. If you need help, you can always follow us on Telegram for updates. Otherwise, we'll be back shortly. This is a sign of them dropping out. This is a sign of crashing down. Well, they said they will be back shortly, and a lot of people have invested huge amounts of money to the minimum amount invested. You understand? We and for us to, I kindly go to that Telegram you can kindly go to Telegram group, get information. But to my own greatest surprise and to my own notice of information from what I have heard so far is that I think they say they will be opening this website by tomorrow. Today is 25th of April 2023, so probably I'm going to check it tomorrow and see, and we will see how it will end, because already it's a sign of dropping out. This is a sign of crashing down, because it's at the moment when people want to make withdrawal. It is a sign at the moment when people want to make withdrawal, they close up the website. Because why won't they close up the website? These are some reasons I'm going to give to you why they close up. The reason is because when the money invested, and at the time money to be withdrawn is more than the money invested, then the platform is about to die. When people have to make withdrawal, money is being invested and money to be withdrawn is now more than the money invested, then that is not a well calculated platform. It is a very big problem that is going to occur, and which is the reason why I notice why they have closed up their website for people not to make withdrawal from ends, so that they will quickly be making some arrangements maybe by going or making some arrangement to come back, by thinking of what to do next to carry the whole issue, by making like they will just have to come out with some excuse, maybe to get some more amount of money from people, or to engage more new user to deposit an amount of money. You understand? So we will get back to this and we'll see how this end.